Great question. Spin mops or flat mops, which is the best? Personally, I use both of them. When it comes to mopping, there are several factors to take in. What's the mopping solution you're using? Are you using too much mopping solution? What type of surface are you mopping? There's a lot of variables that go into mopping so that you're mopping correctly and not ruining the surface. Which mop is better, a flat mop or a spin mop? I find that flat mops work fantastic for large open spaces. Flat mops have very long mop pads, so the longer the mop pad, the more coverage area I'm getting. So I mop faster, and time is money when you own a cleaning business. The more surface area I can mop, the more money I'm going to make. The other great advantage of a flat mop is that you take off the mop pad once it gets dirty, you put it in a wet bag, and then you wash it. Then you grab a new clean mop head, you put the mop head down, and you continue mopping. So that way you're not using a dirty mop pad on the floor. You're putting down a fresh, clean mop head as needed. And they're easy to wash because you just throw it in the washing machine. This is an old mop head, so don't mind that's just the Velcro and all the stickiness on it. But that's what you do. You just put your mop pad on your mop head and you just start mopping. And then you peel it off and you get a new mop head and you put it on, you keep mopping. So a flat mop, I think, is great for large spaces. You could still use a flat mop in a smaller area or like a residential home or an office. You could still use it. But like I said, I like to keep my flat mops for larger space areas to mop. And I also do like spin mops. I really like spin mops because with the bucket to also help with cleaning. I can fill the mop bucket up with a soapy solution, and then I can use my spin mop with a duster attachment, and I can use that to clean walls or to clean cabinets or doors. So I can actually use the bucket of a spin mop for other purposes besides just mopping. So that's a plus too. I like spin mops because you do get a lot of coverage on the mop heads as well. And you can still take the mop head off and put down a new one if it starts getting dirty. If you have the dual split bucket, you could separate the dirty water from the clean water. And I love the spin mops because they do scrub floors really, really well. And they can get around areas. The fingers can get behind things so that I can get better coverage area when mopping. Now the key to either a spin mop or a flat mop is a long handle. I'm 5'7". I want a long handle so that I'm not hunched over. These handles go to at least 5 feet. So as I'm mopping, I don't have to be hunched over. None of this. No, no, no. I want a nice tall handle so that I'm not hunched over. So whether it's a spin mop or a flat mop, a nice long handle. So whether you go with a spin mop or a flat mop, just choose the one that works for you. Get great quality mop heads, whether it's a flat mop or a spin mop. Get a whole bunch of them because you're going to be reusing them and washing them often. So you want to have a lot. And take care of your equipment. Disinfect and sanitize your mop heads and your handles as well. Spin mop or flat mop, I love them both. I use them in different areas. I think they're great. And if you're looking for the Tovar spin mop or the microfiber wholesale mop, look down below. I'll put my link there. Share the video. Comment down below what you like. And don't forget, save this video so you know where to find it for next time.